Hello!
Hello again.
This is Laura.
This is Yusi.
Welcome to Squeaky Flow Studios.
Welcome to Where We Dance.
Today we are going to be talking about strung versus straight versus swung. I'm doing spoonerisms already.
Rhythms.
Rhythms.
Yeah.
And we're going to give you a bit of an analytical look into what the music is actually doing when you're dancing, and how you can use that to play around with your different rhythms.
Yeah. This will be knowledge that you probably have, but you don't ever have verbalized.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
you talk.
yeah, I'll talk. Do you want to hold this?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to chop my head off. So when we're talking about swing music, each beat is technically broken up into what we call a triplets. So that means there's 3 pulses to one beat, so to speak. So if we're doing this straight, this green bracket is 1 beat. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the music, and the straight feeling is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What this means when it is swung, this we're going to kind of refer to as a short note, and this as a long note. What that feels like is short, long. And if any of you are familiar with blues music, this kind of feels like a blues 12-bar shuffle. Bam, 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 bam. It's very cool.
Also, very useful to remember for what we're trying to do.
Yeah, so just keep that in your head, this kind of rhythm. Cool?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, do we want to do a demonstration, or should we just jump straight into it?
Sure. Basically, we just want to show you why I said we know this already when we're dancing without having ever talked about it.
So, the most common place that you're going to find this is in a triple step. And a triple step is a
long,
short, and then a step. So it's a long, short step, long, short step. And when we say a step, this is something that's taking up a full beat. Is it taking up a full beat? Yeah, a full beat. And the long, short, 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 long.
So you're doing all the swung stuff already in your dancing.
Yep.
It's just nice to be aware of that.
And you can actually, so just something we discovered, Laura was just doing her long shorts differently to what I was doing.
Yeah.
So I was doing long short with the emphasis on the longs on my forward energy. It doesn't matter if I'm going right or left. Whereas Laura was doing it on her back. And you can actually swap between them.
Yeah.
So you're doing long, short, long, short, long. I don't know if it's particularly useful, but I think it's interesting. It's fun. It's cool. And might give you a bit of an understanding if you play around with it, kind of how you can stress things differently. And that's what we're going to talk about now.
Yes.
So we're going to show a couple of things. The first one is known as a shuffle ball change.
Yeah.
Ordinarily,
we do it straight.
we would do it straight. You would do a shuffle ball step. But you can do this swung. You can do this either doing a short, long, or a long, short.
Yeah.
And we'll do which one? Long, short.
Short, long.
Short, long first. So that looks like short, long. Short, long, 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 short, long. And you can just keep looping this.
And it feels inherently different throw the straight rhythm?
Yeah. So the straight rhythm would be. There's no long or short. And the
other one.
The long shorts.
This is the.
I mean, so is the other one, but it helps to keep remembering that.
It starts like that. So this turns the first thing into more of a kick than just a
shuffle.
Shuffle, yeah. And so kick, back.
But you're still doing a shuffle.
Ball change.
A shuffle, yeah, it's still a shuffle ball change, but the emphasis is in a weird place. Exactly. So in a half break, which is probably where most of you guys know this.
This little sequence, right?
So a half break is step, step, shuffle, ball change. That was straight. We'll do that again. Step, step, shuffle, ball change. 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 Yep. So we can do that with a swung rhythm. Step, step.
So the steps remain the
step,
same.
Steps, yeah,
they're always going to be 1, 2.
And they're just taking up beats 1 and 2.
Yeah.
And so we're doing step, step, short, long, short, long.
Yeah.
Which looks like step, step, short, long, short, long. Step, step, short, long, short, long. Step, step, short, long, short, long.
Yeah. So exactly the same thing as before.
Yep.
Just with the 2 steps before.
And now we're going to try doing, this is the weird one, this is the one that people don't usually do, which is why it's exciting, because you can spice up your dancing by doing something weird and wacky.
Yeah, so long short.
Long shorts. So let me just try and get this right. Step, step, long. Sorry, I keep fucking up. We'll do it again.
Yeah.
You were doing it right.
Yeah.
Step, step, long, short, long, short. Step, step, long, short, long, short.
Step, step, long, short, long, short. Step, step, long, short, long, short. Step, long, short, long, short. Step, long, short, long, short.
We were doing our steps in step, step, long, short, long. So step, step, long, step, step, long, short, step, step, long, short, step, step, long, short, long. I didn't do the shuffle. Step, step, long, short, long, short. I feel like I'm a bit drunk when I'm doing that, which I like.
I'm sure the more you do it, the more familiar you become with that feeling. But it is quite strange, which is why we regularly can't do it.
Yeah.
Oh, but we tried.
I'm going to try and introduce this into my dancing now.
Yeah.
Just as a kind of how much we nerded out about this, we started trying to record this lesson at 5. It is now
8.
25 to 8. And we've been coming up with all these ideas, and it's really, really cool.
Yeah.
I like rhythms, I like this.
We're also just learning about this and starting to incorporate it into our dancing.
So from there, we've done the half break. We're going to do kind of a little bit, it's kind of another rhythmical thing. So you'll notice in the first example that we gave, the shuffle ball change, there's 4 movements to the shuffle ball change. And so therefore it felt like you're doing the same thing over and over again.
Yeah.
The next thing that we're going to show you only has 3 different movements, and because there's only either a long or a short, the emphasis is going to change, the emphasis is going to change.
What you mean by change is it's going to cycle through the movements, or
We'll show you what it looks like and then just break it down.
Yeah.
So. So, do you want to talk?
Yeah. When we say 3 movements, that's your toe, step, step.
Yeah.
So toe, right, left. 3 points of contact with the floor that make a sound.
Yep.
Yep. But we still only have long and short.
Yep. But because, as you said, in cycles, you're doing long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short.
Yeah. So if we would just look at what the toe does,
yep.
The first time it's long, then it's short, long, and then the second time around it's only making a short
yep.
sound. And so it goes through these two and it alternates,
yep.
Which makes it quite interesting in terms of feeling, because you can't really recycle what you've done before in terms of feeling.
Until you finish the pattern.
Yeah.
You can do this straight as well.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Which is when I first learned it, what I did all the time, because it's really difficult. But it's great once you get it.
Yep. The other example that we're going to do is a heel. What is it?
Heel step.
Yeah. So you're doing kind of like the first step of a Suzy cube.
Should we show it first?
Yep, we'll show it. We'll cycle it. Should we show the cool thing where you're doing something different to me, but we're doing the same rhythm?
Wait, should we explain what we do
Okay,
first and then do that?
I'm getting excited again.
So we're starting again with a long, then short. Yeah.
Yep. And the movement is we're doing almost a shorty cube, a Suzy cube, heel, doing a step and then a knee step.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's the way we are demonstrating it is right, left, right. You can do it the other way. Here's a challenge for you.
Yep.
And for us.
And for us, we haven't done it yet. Yeah, so we're starting with a long, and we're always alternating long, short, and that's kind of where you get the cycle again, where it feels kind of lopsided and you're cycling through it.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Again?
Yep.
Alright.
And just as comparison, this is what it sounds like straight. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You want to show that thing now?
Yeah.
So here's something Lucy likes to play with, I don't know.
I don't know. So this is kind of almost getting up to the point where it's like body percussion and rhythmic sounds, but it sounds cool, I like it. And the fact that we're doing different stuff but in the same rhythm is cool, I think.
Yeah.
So.
More depth and layers to rhythms, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you start and I'll join in.
Okay.
I keep doing the same thing, sorry. I'm going to do it facing this way.
I'm going to try.
Yeah,
okay.
try it. So we're doing the same rhythm, but different movements, or rather the cycle is starting in a different place, so it's kind of disjointed by one movement from the cycle. I think it's cool.
It's very cool.
Yeah. We could even do that if you do that and I do the toe one.
Oh my god. This?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the same rhythm. Mind blown.
That's for you.
Yeah. So you could even post up on the Facebook group or whatever. You doing variations of these rhythms with various different things. You could
body parts.
Yeah, you could do cycles of 5. You could do 5 movements. You could do even ones like we're doing with the shuffle ball change.
Yeah, whatever you want. Basically, what we're saying is try this. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. We're as I said, we're still learning.
Yeah.
But it's something you can use for your solo.
Yeah.
As we showed with the heartbreak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to show the shuffle, step, step, up, step, step, quintuple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's another cool thing.
Yeah.
Because we love rhythms.
Yeah, this is another rhythm thing. So this is, you don't need to do the turn, we'll just do it with the normal.
Okay, I'll skip.
What you're doing is starting off on a shuffle, then you're doing toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, and then you're doing a straight rhythm for five beats. So you're doing toe, toe, down, down, step. So the shuffle, it's kind of a shuffle. It's bum 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 bum. Yeah.
So I guess what we were saying is we can mix swung and straight rhythms. Yeah.
So it's going shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, down.
Yeah.
And if we do that with a turn.
Okay. Just quick remark. This is all right left.
Yes.
Except for the shuffle, that's just right.
Yeah. So you're starting right, then everything from there is alternating.
Yeah. You can take it away.
Yeah. There's another challenge.
With the turn?
With the turn.
Oh my god.
So we're doing shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step.
Yeah. Just another thing for you.
More
all
things
the
to play
food.
around. You could do that straight as well.
Wait, what?
Straight.
Okay.
Rather than doing ba-dum, ba-dum. So it'd be...
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway.
Tangent
Hope you
again.
enjoy that.
Wait, just a quick remark. UC knows much more about this than me, because he has done more music.
I've done more music. If you have any questions, ask away.
Yes. Yeah.
Show us your cool rhythms and stuff, yo.
What?
Because I'm so street.
Okay,
Let's
bye.
enjoy.